I would also like to introduce Dr. Jayendra Kapadia sir. Dr. Jayendra Kapadia sir is President of Federation of Family Physicians Association of India. He is past President of Family Physicians Association of Surat. He is workshop leader for Buzurgo Ka Humsafar, a prestigious project of Family Physicians Association Surat to motivate and uplift life standard of senior citizen. In sports, he represented India in World Veterans Table Tennis Championship at Muscat, Oman in 2023, Asian Pacific Veteran Table Tennis Championship, Bangkok, Thailand, South Asian Table Tennis Championship, Colombo, Sri Lanka, and he is representing Gujarat regularly in National Table Tennis Championship, now playing in 75 plus age group.
Thank you.
He is a national award winner by Mediscape India for Outstanding General Practitioner of the Year in 2012-13 by worthy hands of President of India, late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. He is winner of Best Clinic Trophy awarded by Indian Medical Association of Gujarat State, year 2007 and 8. Sir, please continue.
Good morning. Thank you for a very kind introduction. And before I initiate my presentation, challenges faced by a family physician in India, I would like to thank Dr. Abhay Dixit first, because this is the innovation in the Federation that after having given such a generous donation, they have started FFPI oration. And I must thank Dr. Abhay Dixit and the organizers for having selected me for the very first FFPI oration. Thank you, organizers. Thank you, Dr. Abhay Dixit, and a very august audience. Dr. Pragnesh very recently, just before me, said that there are so many advances in the field of telemedicine, but the irony of issue is that what are the challenges faced by family physician in our country? No.
ये वाला चाहिए
हाँ नेक्स्ट क्या करो फुल स्लाइड कर
हाँ फुल स्लाइड
फुल ग्लास करे
हाँ
ओके પેલું માઇક આપી દે ને મને આપણ કરી દે ચાલીસ કે જોઈ લે hello. So let's see what are the challenges faced by our family physician in our country. The very first is overburden or workload. Family physicians often cater to a large number of patients due to the shortage of qualified doctors, particularly in rural area. Long working hours lead to family physician exhaust to physical and mental exhaustion. I asked one of my friends, because when I was preparing this presentation, I inquired number of very senior and junior family physicians that what are the challenges that the family physician is facing at present. And few of them said, my clinic hour is 9 to 1 and 5 to 9:30, and sometimes it reaches to 10 o'clock also. So if we have 14 hours in day, almost we are spending 10, 11 hours in the clinic. So what could be the solution? Increase the number of family medicine practitioners by encouraging more medical graduates to specialize family medicine. General practice or a family practice is a specialty by itself, and it should be the goal of the solutions. And very rightly said, as a theme of this conference, family physician is heart of the medical care. Very rightly said. Inadequate training and recognition. Family medicine is often undervalued compared to other specialties. Do you agree with me or not? Yes. lack of updated training programs, and exposure to newer medical advances. What are the solutions? Strengthen family medicine residency program and CME opportunities. I must thank IMA College of General Practitioners and various units of FAPI. Bombay GPA, excellent. Ahmedabad, Surat, Gandhinagar, Rajkot, Ranchi, everyone is doing excellent CME programs that brings a family physician within the purview of updated their clinical skills. Now, important part is this. Government and the National Medical Commission should strictly promote family medicine as a rewarding and essential career choice. See, we have to execute the policy what they form. And if this policy is formed in the favor of any family physician, will be very helpful to all of us. Only few medical colleges in India offering MD in family medicine. This is the irony of fact. And the other irony of fact is All India Institute of Medical Sciences will soon offer MD in family medicine. This is going to be a future. But I must say the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science, Karnataka, was probably the first university in our country to start update diploma courses in family medicine. Limited infrastructure and resources. We all agree with it. Many clinics lack access to diagnostic tools, laboratory services, telemedicine facilities. Poor infrastructure in rural settings hampers effective care delivery. Let's see what are the solutions. Provide government subsidies. Very important. See, there are so many segments in our country where subsidy is provided to different segment of the society. So why not to a family physician who is working in a very remote area, very rural area, underserved area, provide them a good subsidy, and very importantly, a loan with a low interest rates to help family physicians to upgrade their clinics. See, when I was presenting the problem and the challenges faced by a family physician in metro cities, challenges faced by a family physician in a bigger cities, in a town and in rural area, everybody's challenges are different. So if every time we are receiving some kind of information every month that if you need to upgrade or update your clinic, we will provide you interest. But the interest percentage is 8 to 9%. And a friend of mine who is working in a very remote area, in a rural area, if you give them a loan at a very subsidized rate, definitely he will come forward to update and upgrade his clinic. Develop public-private partnership, improve infrastructure and diagnostic support. Very important. See, for an example, I am a member of the, what you call DOT program by Government of India. The very moment I refer a patient in the DOT, I have been given absolute updated information. I'm talking about Surat. Updated information that your patient has started AKT, when he completes the full course, whether he has gone to Zine experts, whether any drug resistance, everything, and regarding the patient weight gain. So this is an important of public-private partnerships. This can be possible in other areas also. See, if we can plan a public-private partnership with a software company, some logistics. So this will definitely improve the update standard of family physician, which will help to support our challenges. Financial constraints, family physicians often operate on a very small scale. Yesterday in the meeting, when we were planning to start our program, Ideal Family Clinic, the minimum requirement was stipulated 150 square feet. So, a family physician often operate on a small scale, leading to a financial instability. Patients in rural or low income areas often unable to pay for their services. साहब आपने मुझे 4 दिन की दवाई दी है लेकिन मेरे पास पैसे 2 दिन की दवाई के हैं. So give me, मैं 4 दिन बाद आऊँगा. See, this is irony in our country. And very importantly, coming to the metros and the bigger cities, the affluent class of patient often pay less and demand more. Agree? See, they go to a consultant. they pay 500, 1000, 1500, 2000 rupees fees. But for a family physician, if you pay, ask for 300 rupees, he will take 20 minutes for you. वहाँ पर 2 सवाल से तीसरा सवाल नहीं पूछ सकते, हमारे पास वो 20 मिनट से ज़्यादा लेगा. Am I right? So this is the irony of fact. What are the solution? Implement government-backed insurance scheme like Ayushman Bharat. Why? Be effectively utilizing family physicians. The Ayushman Bharat scheme can achieve its goal, very importantly, providing affordable, accessible, and quality health care to all citizens of India. So we will request government to kindly involve the family practice and the family physician in the Ayushman Bharat scheme. And Madam Finance Minister is going to present her financial budget on the 1st of February 2025. May I request from this platform कि मैडम हमें भी कुछ tax benefit दो. So introduce tax benefit to family physician, especially, I am talking very especially, practicing in a rural underserved area. This scheme can be introduced by the central government or this can be taken by the state government also. Professional isolation. Family physicians working in remote areas often face professional isolation. One of my friend practicing in Chikli, very remote area from Surat, he said, I have everything. I have a good practice, good revenue, good family life, good social life, but what I need is a professional isolation. In my place where I was practicing, there are only 2 MBBS doctors. But what can be the solution for this? We have a solution for this. Develop networking platforms, regional professional bodies for family physicians. I am very happy that this time FAPI has given us a kind of a guideline कि अगर आप सूरत में कॉन्फ्रेंस करते हो तो make it a zonal conference. So this time we have a conference in the first week of February and we are going to invite all family physicians from Ankleshwar to Vapi, those who wish to join our conference without extra delegate fees. So we are trying to bring more and more allopathic general practitioners, family physicians within the purview of FAPI. 2 advantages. They will have an excellent clinical feast and we will have those family physicians are not within the covered or umbrella of FAPI. Second thing, use telemedicine and online CME programs as I said earlier. IMA, CGP and units of FAPI offer several CME programs useful for a family practitioner in day-to-day practice to update our clinical skills. Burnout, mental health issues. Combination of high patient loads, emotional demands. High patient load तो अभी season में इतना नहीं होता है, but emotional demands. And the administrative work leads to burnt out. अगर आप, if you will work for 10 hours a day, naturally you are going to have a kind of a mental exhaustion. See the solutions. Encourage work-life balance. Very important. I message to all my family physicians friends by limiting working hours and hiring a support staff. When I was inquired my friend, he said, मेरे पास एक कंपाउंडर है, मैं खुश हूँ, मुझे दूसरे की जरूरत नहीं है. बट मैंने बोला जब वो बीमार होगा, वो नौकरी छोड़ के चला गया, तो आप क्या करोगे? Everything you have to handle. So I request all my family physician friends that at least hire one more support staff. This may look not practical today, but down the line within 3-4 years, you will say revenue भी बढ़ी है और comfort zone में मैं ज़्यादा practice कर रहा हूँ. Promote mental health. Yesterday we had an excellent on mental and holistic care. So promote mental health awareness, providing counseling service to healthcare professionals. We see many family physicians have a borderline depression, but they never come forward. But if you provide them a very logical and academic services, this can be possible. And very importantly, my friends, at least engage in one sport for fitness, relaxation and fellowship. Ever since I started table tennis since last 15 years, I have an excellent fellowship. जहाँ भी मैं खेलने जाता हूँ, यहाँ आपको कितने दोस्त मिले आप? We are all in a kind of a very relaxed mood. दोस्त मिलते हैं, गले मिलते हैं, बातें करते हैं. This is what you call fellowship. But if you engage in one of the sports, I tell all my friends that जिंदगी में 2 चीज अगर हमें खुशी से जिंदगी जीनी है, तो either engage in one sports. This can be indoor, outdoor, whatever it may be. And engage कोई भी एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट सीखो. वो माउथ ऑर्गन भी हो सकता है, केसू भी हो सकता है, और गाना गाओ. सिंगिंग विल गिव यू अ गुड, एब्सोल्युटली रिलैक्सिंग चीज. बाथरूम में गाना गाना अच्छी बात है, बट ट्राई टू सिंग. अभी तो काफी हमारे पास सुविधाएं है. एंगेज इन वन स्पोर्ट, फॉर दैट विल गिव यू फिटनेस, relaxation, and importantly, fellowship. Competition for specialists and quakes. All you agree with me? Yes. Family physicians face competition from specialists, unqualified practitioners, both in urban and rural areas. See, this is the irony of fact. Those who can't understand, मैं गुजराती में कहूँ, 70,000 આપો, 10 મિનિટમાં નકલી ડિગ્રી લો, અમદાવાદમાં બને છે, સુરતમાં ગ્રાહક શોધાય છે. રાજ્યમાં 4,000 નકલી ડોક્ટર, જેમાં 1281 પ્રેક્ટિસ કરી રહ્યા છે, 27-19નું કોઈ ઠેકાણું નથી. Those my friends who can't understand Gujarati, the fact is the government of Gujarat has taken an initiative to combat the bogus doctor. सूरत में क्या हुआ? They arrested numerous bogus doctors. और वो जो डॉक्टर्स जहां प्रैक्टिस करते थे वहां से उनका जुलूस निकाला, और लोग देखते ही रह गए कि ये बंदा जो 12वीं कक्षा पास नहीं है और उससे 10 साल से मैं इलाज करा रहा हूं. दिस इज व्हाट वी शुड डू. ब्रिंग ऑल मोर एंड मोर बोगस डॉक्टर्स, एंड दिस इज पॉसिबल नॉट फॉर बाय फैमिली फिजिशियंस. वी नीड civic authority support, police authority support, and importantly, government help. The solution is strengthen the legal framework to curb quackery, emphasize the role of family physician in preventive and holistic care to differentiate their services. Ever since we have started a project for the senior citizens, बुजुर्गों का हम सफर, and we are just giving them how to lead and live a better quality of life. हर महीने हम 2 प्रोग्राम करते हैं, संगीत का प्रोग्राम भी करते हैं, and I am very happy to state that till date, my group, our group, my organization, Family Physician Association, we have addressed more than 30,000 senior citizens across the country. And not only Surat, there are different units of FPI are also going to, they have already started, and some of them are going to start our program, Buzurgo Ka Hum Safar. That gives you a kind of a relaxation, happiness, not to me, but those senior citizens who really wish to update and upgrade their family life, their social life, their economy life after the retirement. Motivate family physicians to engage in adult vaccination. Very importantly, pediatric vaccine तो हमारे पास नहीं है. Yesterday we had an excellent discussion, very first lecture regarding adult vaccination. Indulge in adult vaccination. This is where हम लोग क्या करते हैं, जब तक कोई चीज़ की हमें पता ही नहीं होता है तो मैं लेने को क्यों तैयार होगा. And when I speak to many senior citizens, they said हमें सिर्फ कोविड का adult vaccination खबर है, बाकी कुछ पता नहीं है. So first of all, make them aware. There is awareness should be there in the society, and then after awareness, more and more senior citizens, 60 plus, 65 plus, and 4 vaccinations, keep it in mind: pneumonia, influenza, hepatitis, Tdap, and Gardasil. ये 5 वैक्सीन की बात करो, बाकी तो हम सबको पता है. सिंग्रिक्स भी अच्छी वैक्सीन है, दैट इज ऑल वेरी गुड. बट इसकी अब बात करोगे ना, आई टेल यू, यू विल डेफिनेटली इंक्रीज द ओपीडी इन योर प्रैक्टिस, and ultimately you have a good revenue to earn. Low awareness of family medicine among patients. Patients often bypass family physician to directly consult specialists, leading to a very important word is a fragmented care. What we see a patient from head to toe. जो faculty है सब अच्छी है, they are all super specialists, but they focus to that particular speciality. हम अपनी लाइन, see the important irony of fact कि जब भी हमें प्रैक्टिस करना शुरू करते हैं ना, तो अगर कोई पेशेंट डिफिकल्ट है कि चलो बड़े साहब को दिखा देते हैं, मतलब हमने अपनी जात को पहले से ही छोटे साथ समझ के रखा है. सो हम अपनी लाइन, उनकी लाइन छोटी करना नहीं चाहते, अपनी लाइन ठीक करना चाहता है. और मैं यही कहता चाहता हूं कि हम पंछी एक डाल के. Conduct awareness campaign highlighting the role of family physician. comprehensive and cost-effective care. This is what we can do. See, we family physicians involved in a very limited social services. आप स्कूल में जाओगे तो सबसे ज़्यादा आपको बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स में एजुकेशनल सीए दिखाई देंगे, बट वी हार्डली फाइंड डॉक्टर्स इन्वॉल्विंग इन सोशल लाइफ. हम सोशल लाइफ जीते हैं, बट फॉर द सोसाइटी वी शुड फ्रेम अ काइंड ऑफ ए सोशल नेटवर्क, not the social network of Facebook or Instagram. Go personally, motivate them that why my practice is so cost effective. Challenges with digital health integration, Pragnesh very rightly said, many family physicians find it difficult to adapt electronic medical records. But yesterday, Dr. Pragnesh Vasarajani said very rightly that in the Clinical Establishment Act, this is going to be a mandatory. So अभी से अगर आप नहीं सीखे तो सीख लो. Provide training programs to help family physicians use digital tools effectively. स्मार्टफोन सिर्फ व्हाट्सएप, इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक नहीं है. इसके सिवा you can have so many good positive things which can give you a good learning devices. Offer subsidy or grant to adapting new healthcare technology. EMI दो, मुझे लैपटॉप लेना है, मैं धर्मपुर में प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ, EMI दो, मैं खरीदूंगा. Robust referral system is a comprehensive digital platform that streamlines patient care coordination across the healthcare providers. See, I say it always, HitCon ने मुझे काफ़ी कुछ सिखाया है. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस हमारी ज़िंदगी में आ चुकी है, कहाँ तक जाएगी हमें पता नहीं है. But if you attend this kind of conference, that will give you a very updated knowledge regarding the recent advances in digital technology. So in conclusion, I would like to say addressing these challenges requires a multi-level approach, not a singular, involving policymakers, medical associations, family physicians themselves. By improving infrastructure, training and public perception, family physicians can be empowered to play even greater role in India's healthcare. Friend, this is an era of smart practice. And this is what I would like to say. This is a small video. Can you operate the video? Yeah. See, this is a small video. The guy on my left has accepted the challenges, and the guy on the right is just struggling to accept the challenges. This is an era of smart practice. See what will happen if you become smart. You परिवर्तन समाज का नियम है, और परिवर्तन को आप एक्सेप्ट कर ले तो क्या होता है. You have to address and accept those challenges. अगर देखो ये बंदा स्ट्रगल कर रहा है, देखो क्या हो रहा है. Now see. Now if you are smart enough, what can happen? This is what we call smart practice. Thank you. Thank you for inviting me for a very first family physician FFPI oration. Thank you so much.